Little scratches, nothing too big. We each have to do our own thing,
Yeah.
which is fine. Yeah.
Obviously,
I'll always film it and then upload it to YouTube so it has a really good timestamp.
okay, that's cool.
Because that way, if they're ever like, hey, you did this, it's like, well,
You got an iPhone, it does timestamp it for you.
oh, that's true as well. I've wondered if that can be changed, but I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. You go right to your photos and then it'll show you exactly what time to the millisecond.
That's perfect. I saw a scratch going. Oh. Oh, that's what I was thinking of. Wow. Yeah, that's all I can think of to film. Oh, there that is. You guys don't have like a car wash place that comes with it, is there?
We wash these cars down here.
Oh, okay.
Most of the
No,
time,
it's totally
car
fine.
washes send you through the car washes.